Welcome guys, welcome to How to Doer. I'm Gogi from How to Doer, and today we're gonna talk about these type of combination locks. If you are adding right pin into it, and even though you are not able to open this bag means this type of bags. You have uppercase, you have American Tourister, you have any kind of bags, and if you feel that it's not opening, then what you can do? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. And after that, after watching this video, you can literally know that how we can open your bag. Even if you are adding a right password, then how we can open. First of all, you're gonna laugh after that, after this video and after this trick, because you will see that it's a great thing. It's just nothing. What happened, many times we add exactly right password and try to push this button, but we not able to open this lock. Then what we can do? So many times it happens with me, it's not opened, and then I think that what the scenario, what the problem, why it's not opening. Then I frustratedly throw this bag on the Almeida and or anywhere else, and after that I just pushed and it opened. Then I found a trick after researching a lot, that if your lock number is right, don't think about that you have put the wrong number. No, your pin is exactly right, you know that. Then what we can do? We have to add that pin, and after that you have to hit this area, this lock area. You have to hit this lock area, and after that when you push this button, you will see exactly it's opening. That's it. You have to do nothing. You have to just hit this area, and after that it will start working. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, and this trick will gonna work for you too. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this.